Hello guys, my name is Aditya Pawan Kumar, 17 MIS 1027. Today we are going to discuss about need for the security, learning objects. Upon completion of this lecture, we should be able to understand the need for the security, information security. Understand a successful information security program is the responsibility of an organization, generally management and IT management. Understand the threats posed to able security and the more common tasks associated with those threats. Differentiate threats to the information system from attacks. Again, information securities. Business needs first, technology needs last. Information security performs four important functions for an organization. Protects the organization ability to function, enables the safe operation of application implement on the organization IT systems, protect the data the organization collects the uses, safeguard the technology assets in use at the organization, protecting the ability to the function. Management is responsibility. Information security is a management issue, is a people issue. Communities of interest must agree for the information security in terms of impact and cost, enabling safe operation. Organization must create integrity, efficient and capable application. Organization need environments that safeguard application. Management must not be abdicate to the IT department its responsibility to make choice and enforce decisions. Protecting data. One of the most valuable assets is data. Without data, an organization loses its record of transactions and or it's able to deliver value to its customers. An effective information security program is essential to the protection and the integrity and the value of the organization data. Organization must have secure infrastructure service based on the system and scope of the enterprises. Additional security service may have to provide more robust solutions may be needed to replace security programs the organization has outgrown. Threats. Management must inform of the various kinds of threats facing organization. A threat is an object, person, or other entity that represents a constant danger to an asset. By examining each threat category in turn, management efficiently protects its information and through policy, educational training, and technology control. The 2002 SFI or FBI server found 90% of the organization responded attached computer security breaches within last year. 80% lost money to computer breach, totally over $4 455 million 848,000 up to the number of attacks that came across the internet rose from 70% in 2001 to 74% in 2002. Only 34% of organizations report their attacks to law enforcement. These are the threats to information categories of the threats. Attack of human errors or failures, example, accidents, compression of intellectual property, privacy, copyrights, deliberate the acts of influencers or the trippers are unauthorized. These are all the threats to information security. Act of human error or failure include acts done without malicious intent, caused by inexperience, improper training, incorrect assumptions, other circumstances. Employees are the greatest threats to information security. They are the closest to the organizational data. Employees' mistakes can be easily led to the followings: revelation of classified data, entry of erroneous data, accidental deletion or modification of data, storage of data in unprotected areas, failure to protect information. Many of these threats can be prevented with the control, which is the biggest threat to your organization. Act of human error or failure. Deviation in quality of service by service provider. Situation of product or service not delivered as expected. Information information system depends on many interdependent support systems. Three sets of service issues that dramatically affect the ability of the information and security are internet service communication power illustration. Loss of internet service can be leads to considerable loss in the availability of the system. Organization have slave staff and telecomputers telecomputers working at remote location. When an organization outsources its web service, the outsource assumes responsibility for all internet service, the hardware and open and operating system software user to operating the website. Other utility services have potential impact. Among these are telephone, water and wastewater, trash pickup, cable, television, natural or propaganda, gas, customizable service. The threat of loss of service can be linked to inability to the functional purpose. Voltage levels voltage voltage level can increase, decrease or cease. Skip momentary increase, surge, prolonged increase, monitor low voltage brownout, pro- prolonged drop fault, monitor loss of power, backlog, prolonged loss. Electronic equipment is susceptible to the fluctuations. Fluctuations control can be applied to manage power quality. 3 Pause. Board category of activities that can be breached confidentially, unauthorized access of information, competitive intelligence versus separation, shoulder suffering can occur and place a person is accessible confidently information. Control implemented to the marks the boundaries of an organization, which will territories given notice to their process, their process that they are encroaching on the organization cyberspace. Shoulder suffering. Hacker profiles. These are generally to skill level among hackers. Expert hackers develop software scripts and codes. Export, ex, exploit usable. A master of many skills will often of creative attack software and share with some other with others. Script kindness. Hackers of limited skills use expert written software to exploit a system to not useful underestimate the system they hack. Other terms for system rule break. Cracker. An individual who cracks or removes protection designer to prevent unauthorized duplication. Information extort. Information extortion is an attacker or formerly trusted insider stealing information from a computer system and demanding compensation for it, returning for non-use. Sabotage or vandalism. Individual or groups who want to deliberately sabotage the operation of a computer system or business or perform acts as vandalization to either to either destroy assets or damage of the system of the system of the system. These threats can be range from petty vandalism to organized Soviet organization or rely on the image. So web defensing can lead to dropping customer confidence, rising threats of hacktivist or cyber hacktivist, deleterable acts of theft, illegally taking of another property, physical, electronic or intellectual. The value of information suffers when it when it copied and taken away without the owner knowledge. Physical theft can be controlled. A wide variety of measure used from locked doors to God, gods or alarm system. Electronic theft is a more complex problem to manage and control system may not even know how it occurred. Deliberate system attacks. When an individual group designs software to attack system, they create malicious code software called malware. Malware, malware, designed to manage, destroy, or prevent service to the target includes macro, macro virus, boot virus, worms, Trojan horse, logic booms, backdoor or trapdoor, denial of service attacks, polemical hoax, deliberate software attacks. Virus is a computer program that attacks itself to an executable file or application. It can be replicate itself usually through an executive program attached to an email. The keyword is attaches. A virus cannot be stand on its. You must prevent virus from being installed on computers in your organization. Deleterable software attacks. Learn about OS and application vulnerabilities. The minor corruption, cooperation, common vulnerability, or exports. There is no foolproof method of preventing them from attaching themselves to your computers. Antivirus. Antivirus. Antivirus software compares virus signature files against the program code of Windows virus. Regular update virus signature files crucial. A worm is a computer program that replies and propagates itself without having to attach itself to a host. Most infamous worms are called Red and Nimda. Nimda cost business millions of dollars in damage as a result of lost productivity, computer downtime, and the time spent recovering lost data, reinstalling programs, operating systems, and hearing or concentrating IT professionals to Trojan programs is themselves as a useful computer program or application that can install a backdoor or root, rootkit on a computer. Backdoors or rootkits are computers that give attackers a meaning of regaining access to the to the attacked computer later. Thank you.